In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add music to your Telegram story. You can simply add any song to your story on Telegram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Telegram. You will have to tap right here on this plus icon to add any photo or video to your story. On this page, tap on the sticker icon right here. Then you will have to select audio. Telegram will access your local audio files. If you got any songs in your local library, you can simply add it to your story. Select any song. Then you can simply edit to any music lines you want to. Then tap on next and your story will get shared with added music in it. That's how easy it is to share story with music on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.